Eritreans are very good people. They are good. They are best. So that is my request to KCC. So thank you very much. Eritreans, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
The Eritrean community, the Association of Eritrean Artists in Uganda, has dedicated time to clean several Kampala suburbs as a way of giving back to their host communities. On Saturday, the group partnered with Kampala Capital City Authority to clean several areas in Kansanga as part of the initiative. Speaking after the cleaning exercise, the chairperson of the Eritrean community said they were welcomed by locals. When we came here, the government and locals welcomed us and accepted to live with them together. Ugandans have showed us the true meaning of hospitality and brotherhood. We now consider Uganda as our second home. To pay back them for this love, we have started this initiative, said the chairperson of the Eritrean community. He explained that the move is also aimed at further pushing for unity between Ugandans and the Eritrean community to ensure harmonious living with each other. Many Eritreans have started businesses in the country in real estate, hospitality, health, fashion, and entertainment sectors. According to Samuel Yiga Kisakai, the LC1 chairman for Esimbwa zone in Kansanga, whereas in the past Eritreans were being looked at foreigners, Ugandans have now learned to live harmoniously with them. Initially, my residents regarded them as being foreigners with a different culture and resented them. However, this has changed after realizing that Eritreans are good people. They have contributed to the development of my area. This initiative of cleaning our area will further cement this brotherly relationship with Ugandans, Yiga said. Sarah Nalwada, a councillor for Kansanga, applauded the Eritrean for the initiative of paying back to their Ugandan host communities that he said are grappling with garbage. Our area being a slum means we have so many kinds of people, many of whom don't care about hygiene. Many throw rubbish in drainage channels. However, the initiative by the Eritrean to help in cleaning our area is welcome and should teach a lesson to locals to also replicate the same, Nalwada said. Stanley Nebalakosa, a supervisor with KCCA, said the initiative of cleaning up communities, as started by the Eritrean communities, should be adopted by all communities by dedicating days to clean up their environment. Ugandans should know that it is upon them to clean their own areas. They should dispose of garbage well, but not wait for other people, including KCCA, to do it. Promoting hygiene is the responsibility of everyone and not only government, he said.
The Eritreans are very good people. They are good. They are best. So that is my request to KCC. So thank you very much. Eritreans, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.